Hi everybody. Okay, so today we are vlogging. We are vlogging and we are going to go to the US Open at Huntington. So excited. It's kind of hot outside, but perfect day for the beach. Yeah. She's not dressed for the beach.
I don't wear like.
You guys notice my hair?
I should put on a dress.
Oh yes. Yeah, I was thinking like I thought you was gonna put on a dress actually.
I don't have no slippers.
You want to? She's wearing some tights and the shirt. She's gonna be frying. I did not want to do my feet today. I was like, dang, should I? So I'm wearing slippers, but I was like, F it. Like, I really don't care.
No,
I don't really care.
I don't want to do that. I'm gonna have to walk outside, walk into this house with these toes.
With these
so I
toes.
said, when I go to the beach, then I can just take off my shoes. That's
true.
it, and then put my shoes back on. And I'll be fine.
Yeah. So I was telling, maybe should I tell this story? I think Destiny watched this. Hi, Destiny.
Hi, Destiny. It's gonna be your birthday pretty soon.
I was on this dating site, right? And it's so funny. You don't know what to expect. So I was going through like little pictures for the guys and stuff, and I seen a relative. I seen a relative on there, and I was like, "What are you doing on this site?" But I didn't say that to him. I didn't message him because I don't even know if he noticed I'm on the site.
That is hilarious.
I think it's so funny. It's so funny. But I seen that, I was like, oh my gosh, what are you doing on this site?
How is he looking though?
The same.
Did he try to do like?
No, I didn't go through his pictures because once you pick on the picture,
they know who you are.
it shows who's viewing your profile.
Oh Lord.
So I was like,
His favorite pose.
He had this picture where I think he's like outside or something. He's like outside and it's dark, and he had like a hat on and a white t-shirt. It's like, you've seen that picture before.
I don't know. I'll have to think.
She said, I don't know.
Shout out to that relative on that dating site though.
I don't know, Gabby might be here. Let's go see. She's not here yet. She probably texting.
Yeah.
You guys want to see my classic room? My plain Jane? That's it.
Triszz music.
Needs an 8.3 and Silvana needs 2 scores.
So we just got back from the beach and it was so hot and it was boring. It wasn't what we expected. So we're back home and we're gonna go eat at Red Robin's. It's so hot.
I didn't put on a bra. I just put on a shirt. I didn't feel like it. I just got my bathing suit on and I just put on a shirt. Like, I don't
Keeping those shorts on?
Yeah, I don't care.
Coochie?
Like, yeah, see my shorts, guys? I don't care. I didn't feel like changing.
Well, we're on our way to eat. I'm so freaking hungry and I'm tired and I'm burning up.
I'm thirsty.
You thirsty? Thirsty too.
I'm hella thirsty. Like, you ever get so hungry you get mad?
No.
Oh.
You at that point?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Let's go. Alright, see you guys there.
Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and more to come. So my sister's looking at me like, girl. So I say, I'm trying. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Bye. I should do this. Go.